Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best oven thermometer is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets, but trust me, it's a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, achieving perfectly cooked dishes starts with accurate temperature control. This video will dive deep into the world of digital oven thermometers, exploring their features, benefits, and why they're essential for anyone serious about cooking. Number 5. ThermoPro TP16 Digital Cooking Thermometer. This digital cooking thermometer is perfect for any cooking situation. It comes with preset temperatures recommended by the USDA, but you can customize them to your liking. It also features a timer mode with both countdown and count-up functions. You can set it for up to 99 hours and 59 minutes. This feature helps you keep track of your cooking time. The probe and wire can withstand high temperatures, ensuring accurate readings. It measures temperatures from 32 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit with high precision, giving you peace of mind. The thermometer is designed for ease of use with a step-down tip probe. The long stainless steel cable allows you to monitor the temperature from a distance. It's easy to store with a magnetic back and a hanging hole. You can attach it to your refrigerator or hang it on a hook. This makes it convenient for any kitchen layout. This product is NSF certified, ensuring it's food safe and of high quality. You can trust it to be a reliable and environmentally friendly tool in your kitchen. What we like. This thermometer offers USDA preset temperatures, taking the guesswork out of cooking. It also features a convenient timer mode. If you are looking for a reliable and food-safe thermometer, you should consider this one, especially if you want to ensure your food is cooked to perfection. What people say. It does exactly what it is supposed to, provide an accurate temperature inside an item while it cooks. The display is easy to read. The probe wire is long enough so the main display can sit on the counter next to the oven or grill. Recommended. Number 4. ThermoPro TP17 Dual Probe Barbecue Thermometer. This smoker thermometer alerts you when the grill's temperature goes outside your set range. It flashes and beeps to let you know when to add more fuel. Monitor two meats or the grill temperature at once. It comes with USDA preset temperatures, but you can also adjust them manually. The large display shows food, oven, grill, and smoker temperatures, along with a timer. The backlight makes it easy to read in any light. The probes are accurate to within ±1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, quickly detecting temperature changes. It can operate in a range of 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can cook anything. Use the front-facing buttons for easy operation. It has a flip-out stand and magnetic back for convenient storage anywhere in your kitchen or near the grill. What we like. With dual probes, this thermometer allows you to monitor two items simultaneously. It also has a high-low temperature alarm, perfect for smokers. If you are grilling or smoking multiple items at once, or need to keep a close eye on your grill's temperature, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It has two probes that I have tested for accuracy by putting them into ice water. Both probes measured exactly 32 degrees, and were spot on. This thermometer is accurate, easy to use, and takes the guesswork out of cooking meats. Wife absolutely loves this thermometer, and with multiple channels she can track more than one item at a time in the oven. Easy to read and large enough to be easy to work with. Number 3. ThermoPro TP16S Digital Meat Thermometer. This digital cooking thermometer is perfect for any cooking environment. It comes with a long cord and a probe that provides accurate temperature readings. You can choose from preset temperatures or customize your own. The device will alert you when your food reaches the desired doneness. Easily monitor temperatures and the remaining cooking time on the large screen. It also features a 99-hour and 59-minute countdown timer. The orange backlight is easily activated in low light conditions. The auto-off feature helps conserve battery life. This thermometer is easy to store with its built-in magnet and stand. You can also hang it from a hook. What we like. This thermometer features a large, easy-to-read display with a backlight, making it perfect for low-light conditions. It also offers programmable alerts, so you'll never overcook your food. If you like to cook at night or in dimly lit areas, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It takes all the stress out of cooking meat, especially for things like steak, chicken, or roasts where precision matters. The display is super easy to read, and the probe gives fast, accurate readings every time. It works exactly as advertised, is easy to use, well made, and has great battery life. Number 2. Taylor 2.5-inch Oven Thermometer. This thermometer features a large, colorful 2-to-1-2-inch dial. It's designed to be easily readable, ensuring you can quickly check the oven's temperature. The thermometer accurately measures temperatures from 100 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to precisely monitor the heat inside your oven. With a glass lens and a red pointer, the dial clearly indicates the current temperature. This makes it simple to keep track of the heat. It's constructed from stainless steel, providing strength and resistance to corrosion. This ensures the product's longevity and reliability. The unique design allows it to either hang from a rack or stand on its own. This flexibility makes it easy to use in any oven. The thermometer is NSF certified, meeting all required standards. This certification guarantees its quality, durability, and cleanability. What we like? This analog thermometer features a large, easy-to-read dial, making it simple to monitor your oven's temperature at a glance. It's also made from durable stainless steel. If you prefer a classic, reliable design and want something that's easy to read, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works well, finally solved my uneven and overcooked baking issues. I like the option to hang it off a rack or stand up, enabling active monitoring of various zones, no matter what you've got in the oven. Accurate, well made and easy to use. Number 1. SMARTRO ST59 Digital Meat Thermometer. This digital cooking thermometer comes with a long cord and a highly accurate probe. It ensures you get the perfect temperature for any cooking environment. The accuracy is within 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 482 degrees Fahrenheit. The touchscreen design makes it easy to operate. The backlit LCD display allows for quick readings, even at night. This feature ensures you can monitor your food's temperature with ease from any angle. It has pre-programmed temperatures for various meats and doneness levels recommended by the USDA. You can also customize the temperature settings to suit your personal preferences. This allows you to cook your food exactly how you like it. This food thermometer includes a built-in timer with a countdown function. You can set it for up to 99 minutes and 59 seconds. An alarm will sound when the time is up or the set temperature is reached. The 6.7-inch long probe keeps your hands safe while measuring. It can withstand temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. However, avoid using it in high-heat grilling environments to prevent damage. What we like? This digital thermometer features a touchscreen and a clear LCD display for easy operation. It also offers preset and custom temperature settings. If you are looking for a user-friendly thermometer with a built-in timer and multiple cooking options, you should consider this one. What people say. The thermometer is easy to use. The probe is long enough to reach the center of the meat. The display is easy to read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.